Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Spotify premium plan. It's pretty simple. Now since you cannot change premium plan from the app of Spotify, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you want to go to spotify.com. And once you're in spotify.com, make sure to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you can see the little setting icon at the top right. Click on it and choose view account. Once you're inside view account, from over here you want to click on where it says manage your plan. Once you click on manage your plan, it's going to take you over here. Now since I already have a plan and I want to change it, I need to click on change plan. Once I click on change plan, it's going to show me multiple plans. You can scroll and choose whichever plan you want to change into, and just click on select right beside the plan, and then it's going to take you to this place. And over here you want to click on change plan. Now since my payment method is already registered in my Spotify, I don't have to enter it, but if you don't have it, you need to enter it and pay the extra money for changing the plan. Depends on the plan you want to buy, and then your Spotify premium plan should change. That is how you guys can change Spotify premium plan. So hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.